Okay, now in this lesson, we are going to actually create a prototype using Invision app. You can see over here, this is the prototype I'm going to show you. And with this exercise, you will be able to create any kind of prototype, whether it's sliding animation or moving from page to page or drop down or something like this. So in this example, we are going to create this fade out and fade in drop down. Okay, this is our prototype for tablet view. Okay, so this is how we are going to show our developers that this is how the animation is going to work. Okay, let me just show you the interface of Invision app. Okay, so I'm going to go back to this Invision my dashboard. Here are different categories like all, prototypes, boards, and favorites. Boards are basically mood boards. You can create mood boards using Invision app too. Okay, we are interested in just prototypes. If you click on all, you can see over here there are different boards and other things. Mood board, Simply Social, Inside Design, and Fidelity board, and these are just dummy boards. Okay, so we will click on prototypes, and if you go to this prototype, you can see over here I can also load more screens or upload more screens if I want to. Okay, right now I have two screens. One is basically the first screen, tablet one, and second is where I have opened up my navigation menu bar. Okay, so one is without navigation, other is opened navigation bar. Okay, so I just have two to show this interactions. And if I go to this screen, view screen, you can see over here there are 4 or 5 different controls over here. You can see build preview mode, then we have build mode. Okay, so in the build mode, you can see over here there is a hotspot created over here. Okay, it is very easy. You just need to click and drag like that and move your hotspot over here, and then you can link to another screen. Okay, so if I want to go to another screen, okay, so I can click over here. You can see over here are 2 screens. Also there are a few more options like link back, close, screen as overlay. Okay, so I haven't tested this one. Maybe in the next lecture I might test this feature. Okay, so these are few things. You can also link to external URL if you want to link it to another website or something like that. Okay, next screen in series, but I love to go over here because it is more specific. Okay, so this is how you create hotspots. You can see we have already created one, and if you click on it, you can see it is linked to tablet 2 or the second screen. Okay, then you can see over here the gesture I'm using is tap, and the transition, there are different transitions and effects like instant, dissolve, push right, slide right. Okay, so if I had my navigation bar over here in full width, I might use this push left. Okay, and show a black navigation section over here. But right now as our navigation items are very low, okay, so we have 3 or 4, so it is not wise to create a full slidable area over here. Okay, so we just need few items over here, so a pop-up or fade out navigation bar is enough. Okay, there are few more controls you can see over here like this maintain scroll position after click. Okay, so we don't need to jump this design up and down. We just need to maintain our scroll position. Okay, so we are going to click this. Okay, and there is one more option, include hotspot in template. Hotspot is that I am going to use this spot in the whole 6 or 7 screens. Okay, so right now we just need to have we don't need a hotspot right now. Okay, so this is all about it, and we are going to click save. Okay, so we are not using a fixed header. Okay, so this is how our design is like that. Okay, now there is one more option, comment mode. If you go to this, you can your team can collaborate and comment, leave feedback on different portions, like maybe your developers might show that is this fade away animation, something like that. Okay, and click on send, and you can see over here this is the comment I have. There is also another inspect mode, and right now I think we need your PSD. It needs my PSD for this. This is just like Zeppelin or Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop extractor. Okay, so it is going to show the specs and different layers of my PSD file. Right now it is in beta mode. Now I think it might be some version maintaining for designs. So it is a new feature, history mode. You can see what are the changes and versions I have done for this design. Okay, then you can share it socially, you can upload more screens, you can go to configurations and settings. Here you can see I'm using iPad white, or you can use iPad black. My design starts below the status bar, whether you have excluded the status bar at the top from your design or not. Okay, also you can have some background transparent, foreground light dark, other options, hide status bar. Okay, and you can save it like that. And then we have screen status. What is the status, like whether this design is on hold, in progress, needs review, or approved. Okay, then you can generate live share links from here. Okay, so you can live share it with your team members, and they can draw over it in live view. They can comment at the time. Okay, you can also share it, and you can see over here there is one more email. Okay, so I can type in the email over here, or if I go a bit down, let me show you. Okay, over here you can see public share link. You can click over here, and you can share this link, and once someone clicks this link, they are going to show this, they're going to see this design like that. Okay, in this screen like this, and they can click over here, or if they click somewhere else like this, okay, it is going to show that this is the clickable area. Okay, this is the interactive part. So this is very easy.